This thing is Cali lean, dude.
No way, no way.
This is looking like a straight F-250. Cali lean Brodozer fitment.
So, unfortunately, these wheels didn't ride as good as I thought they would, so I figured leaving the stock suspension on, it would ride good, but our mud flaps are just getting destroyed, and when you think of mud flaps, you think of, you know, lifted trucks. We're gonna do the straight Cali lean on this Pimp John motherfucker.
Oh my goodness.
I mean, it don't look that bad.
It literally looks like a straight Brodozer. It looks like you're about to put American Force wheels on the
I
Civic.
think we definitely need some more clearance. It's gonna be a 4-inch lift. Now we got a 4-inch lift, dude. Let's see how she goes.
Wow. Okay, I doubted him that this would work, but I have learned not to doubt him. That is definitely about Brodozer truck fitment, for sure. Oh, the studs are too long? Oh, no. Mint, dude. Try and turn left. Jeez. That is straight Brodozer fitment, dude. Is this a Civic or a F-250? I can't tell. Yep, turn all the way to the left. What, did you break the column?
No. It's just a fat.
Oh, wow, that's further than I thought. If you rip that mud flap off, I think all of your problems are solved. Wow, that I am very surprised.
Full lock.
That's full lock.
Yeah.
Well, if you cut the little edge off of the plastic there, you will have zero problems.
Gotta go 1-2 tap. Get that out of here.
Oh, yeah. This thing is Cali lean, dude.
No way, no way.
This is looking like a straight F-250 that a high school kid owns. Cali lean Brodozer fitment. AJ, you're about to set some new trends with this one.
Here we go again. Oh, what was that? You might as well just put this right on the flatbed. Oh my God, look at this! The whole wait a minute, is that normal? Come here. Come here. Is that normal? Is that normal?
It rides like absolute ass. This
Small wheels was way better.
I feel like this is how it feels like to drive like an actual lifted box.
Oh yeah. Straight up, just rub and rot.
The brakes feel like dog shit.
We're big rigging, dude, for sure. This smells like hot rubber. I don't think this is the rubber that was on the car.
God. Oh my God.
That was heavy.
The seat blew out at that point too.
She bucks like crazy.
Yeah, it's because I hit the gas and the seat like slides back.
Oh!
Oh my God.
Oh, it's straight up bottoming out.
Oh, that was so violent. Oh my God,
what was that?
That was straight wheel spin.
Yeah.
Oh my God, he chirped second.
Here we go, buddy. The Cali lean Civic, letting her eat.
Oh, you spit that axle clean the fuck out.
God damn it.
Too much grip, dude.
Put the actual wheel. Dude, we're good to go, dude. So I'm a fat Mickey motherfucker, and this thing's got like at least 300 torque. I don't even know, probably maybe 4. But I gassed it one day, and I fucking leaned back because the G's were like probably like 4 or 5. and the fucking thing just broke.
Oh my, dude, that's really shot. Are you gonna weld that back together?
Yeah, I'm about to weld it right back together, dude. Cause like the bolts are still there.
Yeah.
We got her all welded up. I put it back in. Let's see if she snaps. Huh?
Actually put some force on it. Pretend you have 2,000 horsepower.
Yo, that's pretty.
Oh my.
That thing's
You're gonna blow the truck through the floor of the shop, dude.
That thing's in there good, dude. I welded her up, man. So we walked into the shop today and there was a f***ing Raggy doing a side job.
Why are you side jobbing in here, dude?
Dude, I don't know. Like, I gotta pay my bills and.
Yeah, you ain't even renting here.
Yeah,
though.
that's what I'm saying. Like, I just gotta pay bills, and I saw that the door was unlocked, so I just kind of ran in, and I don't know who this is, but we just kind of came through. She helped me put this.
She's literally a squatter, dude.
I'm gonna yeah.
She's squatting right now. She's a squatter.
I was doing good for a while.
Ew, Carlos's stink breath. Ew. Gross. Yes, it's okay, buddy. Soon. He's got 8 or 9 more days till the stitches come out, but 4 more days with the cone on, or 3 more days with the cone on. Sorry, bud.
All right, so I got my car inside here today because someone decided to, at the parking lot where I work, swipe my mirror here, take off this whole edge. You know, I can finger it now. So I had to get a new mirror, and I didn't file a police report or anything because there's no cameras in the lot, so I got porked. So I worked one day of the week to pay for some shitty used mirror, and I'm gonna install it because I can't live like that. But yeah, here she is. As you can see, our plastic edging is there. Let's do a little comparison, I suppose. So here, we're missing all that. The mirror's off the car, pain in the neck, but we did it. So this is the old one. Again, real close-up look, these 2 sides here. Now I'm gonna try and get this blue plastic off and this blue plastic off. So as you can see, the mirror is on. It's just a new mirror. Yeah. Might start folding my mirrors in whenever I park now. You can't trust people, especially in parking lots.
Oh my god. I gotta send a snap to like the little group right now.
I was literally toegating.
I'm sending it to the dude that I f***ing asked about.
Test.
Oh no! 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 Oh,
We're eBay supercar spotting right now. Is that your, like, how do you tell if it's real or a replica? We have no idea.
I have no clue.
Carlos, what do you think? Replica? He says, I don't know, bro. Thing is sick.